Well, hello, YouTubers. I guess this is my first unboxing. I got a cool package here from Jim, Ceramic Jim, and I'm excited to get it today. So let's open this thing up. As we'll do it at our little pottery studio here that belongs to Jeremy. He's doing the recording, and of course, what better to do but a trim knife? Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's open this thing up and see what's inside here. So if you don't know about Ceramic Jim, he is, look at there, congratulations Mark. He is a ceramics instructor. Nice card. Thank you very much. This cup is going to be a good home. Please use it and enjoy it. I will. I know that, well, I'll read the rest later, but thank you, Ceramic Jim. And let's look in here and see what it's got. So he has a channel, and he does a lot of mixed colored clay. It's a cool technique. I'm interested in seeing Jeremy do this sometime. Wow, look at that. It's a really cool piece. You can see how the different colored clays, so that's not glazing. See where he seamed it together. This is actually different colors of clay were mixed together and then put into a cup using the as opposed to being thrown. So on the table. So that's cool. So let me go ahead and put some stuff in here and take a sip. Okay. I actually was reading Ceramic Jim's note and I found out that there's more in the box. So let me see if I can find out what else is in here. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Some different ceramic pieces. It looks like, and some marbles. That's pretty cool. So thanks, Ceramic Jim. And for those of you who haven't listened to Ceramic Jim, I'll try to put a link up here. So, till next time.